Hello students. So I am back with another topic, that is phonics, and the letter is O. The letter is O. It is written OR, but the pronunciation of the letter is O. So let us begin with the topic. I will be beginning with this topic with the help of a short story. Come. Some sheep and a donkey live next to a cornfield. One August morning, some children bring carrots for the donkey. He is very pleased to see the children and greets them by praying E-O and greets them praying E-O. So, this is the story. Some sheep and a donkey live next to a cornfield. One August morning, some children brings carrots for the donkey. He is very pleased to see the children and greets them bring E-O. E-O. So, you can hear the sound E-O. So, today we will learn about the sound O. Okay. So let us hear the sound of O.
O. O. O. O. O. O.
So this was the sound of O. The sound of O is O. While it is written, but the sound is O. Sound is O. So children, what is the action for O? The children pretend their hands are the donkey's ears. Their hands point straight up for the E sound. The hands point straight up for E sound and point down for O. E, O. E, O. So children, the action of O is, first we have to pretend your hand up straight like a donkey ears. This is E, O. E, O. So the action of O is E, O. For E we will keep our hands straight on the top, and for O we will put it down. O, E. E, O. E, O. So this is the action of E, O. The action of E, O. So the action of O, again I am showing you. First we have to pretend that you are having a donkey ears, and first we will do top. We will keep a hand on the top. Upside is E and then down is O. E, O. E, O. So this is the action of E, O. O. Okay, the formation of O. So come, let's see the formation. So this way you will be writing O. Okay, this way you will be writing O. Again, let's see. Again we will be seeing, this way you will be writing O. Okay, O-R, O. This is the formation of O. So now the word bank. The word bank of O. You will see the words. You can see the words over here. Yes, there are many words. You will find the sound of O in every word. You will find the sound of O in every word. Or, for, lot, form, born, corn. Can you hear the sound of O in every word? Or, for, lot, form, born, corn. So the sound of O is there in every word. Okay, for, lord, form, born, corn, or, these all are the word banks of O. There are many more. I have given you some few examples. So now we will hear the song of O. Okay? First we will hear the song and then we will repeat after the song. Come.
See the donkey in its stall. E-O, is its call.
Okay, so we have listened the song. Now we will repeat after the song. Okay? See the donkey in its stall. E-O, it's its call. So this was the song of O. We will do it again. See the donkey in its stall. E-O, is its call. So this was the song of O. So I have showed you the song, the formation, the sound, the word bank, the story. So this is the letter O. Okay, this was the letter O. So I hope you all have understood this. Thank you and be safe everyone.